Hey Lane's Barbecue family, Dan here with another recipe video. Today is all about bloody good cheesecake. So today what we're doing is we're actually smoking a red velvet cheesecake on the Traeger 885 and wanting to just show you exactly how to do a step-by-step process. Now the exact ingredients and description of the products that you'll need will be in the link below to our website. And like any good cheesecake, we're going to be using the choc sea salt caramel today. Enjoy. So what we have here is our sour cream and cream cheese mixture, cocoa powder, sugar, and choc sea salt caramel, our food colouring with vinegar and vanilla essence, and also our flour. What we're going to do, guys, is we're going to mix the sugar, cocoa powder and the Lane's choc sea salt caramel in with the cream cheese and sour cream mixture. Now I just want to incorporate that all together, as well as adding our food colouring, vinegar and the vanilla essence as well. So we'll get all this mixed up. Now next is our food colouring and mixture, and we're going to throw it in with everything. Now the next bit, we've got 4 heaped tablespoons of flour. Now because we're adding so much of the syrup, the vanilla essence, as well as the food colouring, it is a little bit more liquidy than you normally would. So you want to put 4 heaped tablespoons of plain white flour and just mix that all together. And as you'll see in the recipe, you'll need 3 large eggs, and preferably at room temperature. Now mix each egg in individually, as you don't want to mix them all together. And don't mix too much, as the egg can then split inside the cake when cooking. I've got some choc ripple biscuits here, and I'm just going to throw them in some bags and double bag it just so that it doesn't split, and just hit it with a rolling pin or anything that's heavy. A good way to take your frustrations out. Now it's time to add this to a bowl and add your butter and stir until combined. And don't spill it like I did. Now in this step you want to use your springform pan, put a bit of paper at the bottom of it and just grease the edges. Now I like to put a bit of foil around there, it just deflects the heat just so it doesn't split the cake. Now we want to put all our biscuits in there, reserving just a little bit as we're going to put some on the top. Now put this in your smoker at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit and cook for 10 minutes. Now once your biscuit mixture is completely cooled, add your cream cheese mixture and then throw it in your oven or your smoker. Now say goodnight to this cake for about 45 minutes. Now after 45 minutes, we've left the door open just a little bit and turned off the smoker just so it's still got a slight jiggle in the middle, just so it sets in the fridge. And this is what it looks like just before hitting the fridge. Beautiful colour. Now you want to let this sit in the fridge for 4 hours or overnight preferably. And once you've taken it out of the fridge, it's time to get decorating. So what we've got here is our strawberry syrup mixed with our strawberry shortcake seasoning, and we're just going to spread that over the top just so you got a nice glaze. Beautiful. Give some a try. Cheers. It's insanely good. Give this recipe a try, guys. Absolutely amazing. So good. Cheers. Well, that's it for another video again. Thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to all of us here at Lane's Barbecue. If you haven't hit our notification bell, please feel free to do so to get more updates on our videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We have a heap of new content coming out, not just surrounding our cooks, but more educational pieces on how-tos, so setting up your Weber kettles and how to get clean fire management and just real basic good stuff that you'll learn a lot from. If you have any questions for us in the interim, please feel free to hit us up on Instagram and Facebook, or even in the YouTube comments down below. If you like our products or haven't tried our products, please leave a review online or purchase our products at lanesbbq.com.au. That's www.lanesbbq.com.au. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, take care. Bye.